Welcome to the Daily Message. This is Wednesday of the second week of Advent. And I want to make a couple comments about the second part of the first reading for today's liturgy. It says that the Lord is the eternal God, creator of the ends of the earth. He does not faint nor grow weary, and his knowledge is beyond scrutiny. He gives strength to the fainting. For the weak, he makes vigor abound. We all know that there are times in our lives when we grow faint and we grow weary because of troubles that happen, because of things that are out of our control. And sometimes we just want to give up and we just don't know how to go on. We have to remember that we can never make it alone. We can never make it on our own. This reading reminds us that we need God at all times. We need the presence of God in our lives. And one of the ways that we experience the presence of God is by experiencing the love and compassion of friends and family and those who are dear to us. We need those loved ones and friends because it's okay for us to seek strength. It's okay to seek help in our times of need, knowing that we are not alone, that these people that God has given us are with us, and that God is with us. Thank you for watching today. Stay safe, stay healthy.